Yeah, I got the notification. We live at everyone. So let me tweet it real quick too. Let me tweet that we live. All right, we're good everywhere. You should get it. We got 2 more minutes. There you go. Now we're live. A couple minutes early, just in time for the federal fund rates. The fund rates. I can't hear you though. Oh, because I have on mute. Am I on mute? Hold on. Let me fix my volume. Oh. All right, now I should be able to hear you. Hopefully, there's no like. All right, I should hear you now.
I've turned off. Never mind. My mic was off.
Oh, your mic was off? All right, it wasn't
Yeah.
my fault. It was your fault.
My mic was off.
Like I saw you yapping there, but I couldn't see you. All right, I got 1 more minute. I should probably put on my headphones, but I don't even know where to put them anymore. I haven't worn them forever. All right, there you go. 2 p.m. about to hit.
I don't know how to change the photo. For some reason, it still says the POV photo.
I mean, it's fine. Whatever. Good enough. People know that we're live. That's all that matters. It's been a while since we had an Fomc right at all-time highs. I swear the weekly gap doesn't get filled after the Fomc. We gotta fight somebody. All right, a few more seconds left.
5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1, and then it's like nothing. All right. This one didn't really do anything. I'm guessing it's gonna be 4%. So we're gonna cut at 0.25. What really matters is when the fucking old dude starts talking in 30 minutes. 2:30. Pretty weak so far. Pretty weak move. Let's go for X Factory. Let's see. What do you came in at? Yeah, as expected, 4%. Right there. So they dropped to 0.25. So nothing really.
That's good though, right?
I mean, honestly, I don't know, bro. I'll be honest. I feel like is interest rates going down on houses? I don't even know.
I think it's just
It's good
short-term.
for the market didn't get surprised. Like that's the main thing about the market. If it's something they didn't expect, that's what it doesn't like. But
I don't think it affects mortgages though. I think it's just like short-term rates.
that was crazy, guys. That changed everybody's life. Everybody now everybody should have retired off that move. That might have been the weakest fucking fund rate release I've ever seen. 30 points. Hopefully J-Ball spices it up though. That happened that one time that we dropped 1,000 points. We didn't really do anything, and then Powell started speaking, and then we nuked.
This guy's sitting here.
Why did Luke still? I don't know. He's kind of doing his own thing a little bit, but like his own thing, he's not really doing. I don't know. He's just being a little lazy. He posted what was it on Monday or Tuesday? I think it was on L though.
There was one trade like at London, wasn't there? Asia session.
Yeah, he went some longs, but he got stopped out. I don't think he's trading much of anything really lately. Then we got all excited and didn't get an interesting candle. We got nothing.
It's a doji candle. On the 5? No.
Come on, come all the way down here. After the General Powell speaks. Who am I? I don't know. Does anybody care? I don't think anybody asked. Why do you want to see our face on Discord, though? Are you there for the trades, or are you there just to fucking look at us?
Just wants the little goon session. That's all.
Oh, there you go. Finally, some sells. No, I don't want longs. I want shorts. I don't even know if we can stream like this on Discord.
We probably could.
But how though? My question, because I just click start. There's no like, you know where you can customize it.
You'd have to like do
So
it
like
and
you
then
have the face.
do something else. Because Max does it.
Teacher. I mean, I don't care what teacher's gonna do, bro. You should be worried about, are you gonna bank, bro? That's what you should worry about. He's too much worried about other people. I still want this to go down. Just trying to see if there was like an entry short, but like I didn't really see any so far, at least. Oh, let me refresh this. Missing a candle. I'm still. It was. Is there a missing 1 minute candle here?
Where?
Right here. Is that for you as well? I refreshed it.
Nope.
Damn. They're just scamming me. I refreshed it 3 times. It's still giving me a missing candle, so we'll have to leave it.
That's weird.
Is that like a perfect GP reject too? Damn, it was. And QC doesn't have it. I might have to switch. We're gonna have to switch to the quarterly contracts, so they don't screw up my fucking charts. Let me see. All right, there you go. It's starting to sell. Nah, just TradingView sometimes does that. It'll mess up your data on the candle. It'll learn nothing to do with Wi-Fi. You did not break in your low. Maybe a new all-time highs, and then JPL sends it down. That might be good. I'd be shocked if it's just all-time highs and just keep pushing. This whole week has been super strong. This shit.
Yeah, I miss the good old days where this shit would move like 100 points.
I know. I feel like it's been forever since we got a fucking good FOMC that just moons it like crazy. Just like 100 candles up, down every 1 minute. It's just fucking chaos. Can we do a poll for FOMC?
Can I do that on here?
Can you do a poll? You should be able to do a poll. I
Well,
don't see how you
well, yeah.
can't. How'd you Burr became friends? You know an app called Grinder? That's where. You should try it.
We matched.
Try it out. Make some friends. Let me know how it goes.
Yeah, I can make Powell.
I'm guessing everybody's gonna vote down. I just got a feeling everybody's gonna vote down.
I mean, you did say you were bearish, so
I know that's why. Like, if I say anything, it's like just skews everything. I voted up now, just to help the up. It just gets like crazy skewed, so I voted up. Could be sideways. We should have left as an option sideways. Boom, boom, boom. How about up first and then down? How about we do it up first? Or we just fucking sit here the whole rest of the day? If we just sit here the whole rest of the day, I would be so mad. I'm literally never tuning in for another FOMC again.
take us to all-time highs again, even higher.
Mm-mm-mm. 2666. Wait, 2666 would take a long. Why? Maybe inverse like a 5 minute or something. Wait, trade gold. How's gold acting?
Or YM. Isn't YM usually pretty good?
Even gold moved a little bit better. Like, look at this 1 minute. At least it gave like some big candles. You're still net short from this morning? Good shit. Gold's nuking, please. All right, went up, but now we're selling off. Good, good, good. Still have all my position on the gold short from like 2 weeks ago. Come on. Wait. I have to jump on the quarterlies. There we go. You think, how is gold acting better than fucking NASDAQ?
It's just flat.
Who's your most profitable student off the top? I don't know. Recently, maybe Ali,
Zeus,
Zeus, Adrian,
Kelly.
um, Luke. I mean, there's a few names. I don't know. BLH had a run. BLH did have a run. That was a very short-lived run, but technically he did kind of have a little run. Could have been him. We should. I don't know how you like. The thing about the leaderboard makes it hard is like how much are people really spending on their challenges. Let's say you have a guy that makes $50,000, but he's $20,000 deep in resets. Like, how do you keep track of that? You know what I'm saying? And
Yeah.
you'd be surprised how many people really are like 10,000 plus into just a bunch of resets, which is fine though if you're getting payouts, but like you have to calculate it that way. You can't just calculate payouts alone. Like even PW Patrick, he had like 5,000 Apex accounts. So do the math on that shit. He gets them for free, but like at some point you just get lucky and you get payouts if you just reset enough times. It can only go up or down. You get a couple of guesses right, and boom, there you go. For 20 minutes now, we gotta wait till it's chop. This is very disappointing. Fund rate decision.
Buy shorts and hold.
Uh, should we watch the stream, Powell stream? Should I pull that shit up or no?
I mean, are we gonna watch it though?
Nah, we just like have it there for like check the tie. We check the tie, and that's it.
What was it? Was it red it up, blues down?
That was like purple. Someone's gotta find that shit.
I have a pin somewhere. Oh, purple or blue tie is hawkish, and purple tie is dovish. So whatever that means.
That might be another GP like for value gap combo right there. We just rejected from. Look at that. What bets on how many times he's saying some shit? Oh yeah, isn't it can we bet on Kelsey? Isn't that shit where you can just bet on anything?
Oh yeah, Kashi.
You
Is it
just
Kashi or Glue?
how many times is he gonna mention the economy?
What's that site called?
I mean, there was not really. It was I don't know. The thing with the trade recaps, they just don't get a lot of views, so it's like I have to really get motivated to make them. But you guys don't really watch them. We caught a little short over here on this move down. That was it. Well, some people held that and they made it big. Which call it on a casino? None. Don't gamble, guys. Don't gamble.
You can bet if he's gonna say projection, uncertainty 5 times. I feel like that's a pretty good win. Uncertainty 5 times.
What you lost so far? You're funny. I'm up like for like 20,000 plus on the gambling. Come on, bro. I'm like Digicala, bro. I can't lose. I only win. Or do like a post and. All right, bro. What's that XP thing? What does that mean?
What thing?
You know, people have like a little like XP, like a little crown next to them. What does that mean? Like
Oh,
Ayan's #1. What does that mean?
IC appers. Like they talk the most.
Hmm. Guys, I don't know, bro. If there's a trade you take it, stop asking. If you're looking for just a signal, please leave. Like it's literally the most annoying shit ever. When you're just like, oh, what's signal? Like, shut the fuck up and get the fuck out of here. Find your own trades. Oh my God. Actually, I might mute this guy.
Can we do that on here?
You can. I'm not logged in. I'm on my burner watching it.
So much
So I didn't want to
power.
mess it. I didn't want to mess it up just in case. Guys, if you're like get into Discord groups and your only job is like, or your only thing is like, oh, I'm here to follow signals, like, I don't get it, bro. Like, even when I was a beginner traders, I never did that, so I can never like relate. I don't understand what the mindset is for that. Like, you should be there to actually try to learn, no matter like what you're doing, who you're watching. Like, if you're not there to learn, like, you're just here to like, I don't know, bro. Like, I don't even know how you go to sleep at night.
Who's on my
I don't think
side?
Brody's really talking. Are you talking, Brody?
Yeah, a little bit.
You're talking. Yeah.
Just listening, consuming. That's what I'm doing.
I mean, we'd reject the GP and Ferrari gap combo right there. He's talking. I hear him just fine. I think other people hear him.
Can you hear me?
How we find a reversal? Um, use liquidity, then GP Ferrari gap retest. Bang. IFVG or bang. We kind of traded a reversal today. That short that we took was pretty easy. All-time highs got taken out. IFVG right here. You even got a retest later on. Oops. You got a retest in that GP. And then boom, just on the way down. That was like a really nice entry off of that. But that would be like a reversal trade. As we're bullish the whole fucking day. The main thing is when you're looking for reversal, you do need to wait for like a key level to be taken. Would you prefer trading all-time-highs or in a range? I mean, they're both kind of ass. I mean, I guess all-time highs, like I hate trading in a range. Trading ranges, I fucking hate it. But all times they go hand in hand. All times if you're trading all-time highs, you're probably also trading within a range. But preferably neither. So you get a trade London and Asia now. Like, look at London and Asia. She moves fucking clean. Today, New York wasn't too bad. It was like this hour of chop. Other than that, it was like fine. Most of the time, it's like you just gotta walk away and just come back whenever you find something. We got 12 more minutes. Then Powell starts speaking, and that's gonna be the main attraction of the day. Oh, we got an SMT at this low, didn't we? Right here. Can you use that? Yeah, you can trade down gold. Gold works really well. We just got this SMT too at this bottom, so maybe we do get higher before Powell speaks.
Maybe.
Jump on the 5 here. Chart colors, I don't even know. They're pretty basics. It's like, what is that? Symbol, just blue, this blue and this red. And the wick for some reason are this color. I don't know why. I don't think I meant to. I think it just looked alike. All right, that's better. Yeah, just this blue and that red. It's green and red when you wear blue light glasses. So I would tell myself I was gonna wear blue light glasses, but I generally never wear them. But that's why I did blue and red, because the blue looked green. And then just dark mode. I hate having a grid in background. That's like the number one thing I don't like.
I mean, I love the grid.
No, the grid sucks. The thing about the grid is like baits you to think like certain levels are like, I don't know. At least for me, it make me think a level's gonna hold, but like it's nothing. It's just your grid. I don't even know. Canvas is just like this black and some kind of gray, and it's gradient. No grid lines. White crosshair. And usually I have the watermark off. But since we're on stream, everybody can just read the, in case I have questions about the chart. Man, these 5 minutes have been green, red, green, red, green. Nah, that's not the default. The default is white and gridded. And it's solid, I'm pretty sure, the default. Just like a little bit of changes. Some small changes. I don't know what I'm doing. I used to have like those other colors, like style ones. That was a pretty clean chart. Maybe I'll bring it back here and there. Usually I'll just get bored and I'll change up the chart just to change it. That's about it. Also don't mind white backgrounds with the right color. Like usually I need a lighter candle color if it's gonna be a white background. All right, come on.
Damn, the shit's boring. Up and down. Like, I want to bet on this. Towel sheet tight.
I met some dude and I was like, yeah, I trade, and then he's like, oh yeah, I do too, and I was like, oh nice, and he asked me what platform I use, and then I told him all the thinkorswim, whatever, and then he's like, oh, I use Kelsey, and then he was telling me he's a trader. I'm like, bro, what the fuck? I was like,
Can you bet if the market goes up or down? Is that a thing?
I have no fucking idea.
Can you search on here? Is that a thing? Economics?
I have no fucking idea what is how you I never used it. I only see the ads and shit, but like I was like, yeah, this guy's cooked.
Can you can really bet on anything?
How do they make money though?
They must take a cut.
Sure. Still rejected at GP for Valley Gap combo. Yes, coming down too. Now there's a lot of SMT off of this high. We got kinds of fucking SMTs in this range.
You can bet the date a company will IPO. What the fuck?
Do you think it makes sense? I mean, honestly, with anywhere 5,000. The thing is, you can trade both. Like, it's also the other thing. Like, you don't need to do one or the other. You can always have both. So, like, you know what I mean? You don't have to choose. You can copy trade them. You can just trade both. Because you still can get pretty insane ROIs on the prop firms. Like, if you can spend $100 and get $10,000 payout, like it's it's really solid.
You see Danny Trade is back now? He start trading again.
Yeah, I mean, he's been back. Dude took like a 2-day vacation. The crazy thing, people still watch it. Like, I don't know. I still think he probably still owns a part of FFF or whatever, Futures Fund of Family or whatever.
Oh,
I
for
wouldn't be
sure.
surprised if he still owns a part and then he just pretends like, oh yeah, I left, whatever. Sometimes I use them, not too much, but right now I'm working on a stack of 150Ks for alpha. Mostly, if I'll get some free accounts as an affiliate and I'll just trade those. Now, I don't know if I'll be buying them and doing that on my own, but that's what. Which book and no books? Watch video. It's a million times better, guys. Book and trading, like books are kind of useless for trading. So let me ask you this: would you rather read with pictures like a candlestick, or would you rather see a video of somebody literally showing you on a chart? Like,
Video.
just think about it.
Video for sure.
And books are so dumb, bro. Like books, like they need to find a way. Like, okay, this book's worth $50, $30, whatever. How much? Like, they need to find a way to charge you that. Like, if they give you a book that's 10 pages, like they're gonna be like, oh, that's not worth $30. But probably the information that's actually useful is probably like 5 to 10 pages. But it'll make it 100 pages just to like, oh, it's a 100 page book. It's whatever. So you can buy it for 30. Like that's the thing about books that I always hated. So you're spending a lot of time with just fillers and shit like that. I mean, I don't care if you're German or not. I'm just telling you what the truth is, bro. I'm telling you none. I never read a book on trading. I ordered one once and I read like the first 2 pages and I thought it was stupid as hell and I just rather watch videos.
Did that guy just say Germans read more than they watch videos? That's its answer.
Which one? Which one?
That guy is it, bro? He goes, bro. Germans read. Is he saying because Germans read more than watch videos?
I don't know. I have no idea. I've never been to Germany. I've been on a layover to Frankfurt. That's about it. So I don't even know what Germans do, but I'm just saying what I would do. Maybe someone else says books are amazing and they help them be profitable, but I'm just telling you the truth and what I think. This thing is getting tight. Hopefully, getting like squeezed one way or another. Decently strong. The market usually when J Powell just walks up, he'll just get like 2 green candles. Even when he doesn't even say a word, he's just walking up to the podium. So I'm probably expecting that. Like one big candle for no reason. We'll just fucking get horny because they see J Powell. Starts to laugh in the buy buttons. Best country overall, Japan. I mean, unless you count Italy as I've visited, but I was born there, so it's probably not worth there. But Japan, overall, talk about like just everything. There's been other countries that might be better at one thing that I enjoyed more, but like if I had to pick one, Japan. Yeah, I hear really good things about China. When I go to China, the shit just far as fuck. But I do hear everybody saying China's like better than Japan right now. And I believe, yeah. Which country you visited? Damn.
You were in Montreal for a minute.
Which one?
You were in Montreal for a minute.
Oh yeah, Montreal, if you can that. That's for sure the worst. Man, worst one. I don't know, maybe like man, I've only been to good countries, that's the problem. So it's like the worst is still like somewhat decent. Probably like I don't know, like Switzerland's pretty boring, I thought. People kind of stuck up. I don't know, but then like I really enjoyed my time at the hotel that I was staying at. I don't know, that's a hard one actually. I can't really think about it. There wasn't one trip that I was like, I want to go home right now. This sucks. Because if there was, I would have just left right away. Usually I don't get my flights back. Bro hates Bali. I've never been, but I would not really want to go to Bali. Bad experiences. Dubai. Dubai had a few bad experiences. I
Really?
went by mistake to like the wrong place. So I was like in the fucking like slums, I guess, kinda. So that was kind of sketchy. Like you never was fully sketchy because I know Dubai was super safe. But like it was just like I don't know, it was just sus looking everything. And in like the taxi, the dude was like begging me for money in Dubai, and I'm like, bro, what the fuck? Fuck out of here. Then trying to think. Oh, maybe the Maldives too. When I was on the main island, the Maldives, I spent the night there just to see it, and that shit was just fucking straight ass. Like the main island of it, like you land on the main island and then you go to your little hotel. You get to take a different plane for that or boat. So I was like, oh, let me just see the capital, like whatever, maybe it's some like that'd be cool. Like no, she was fucking straight ass. The people were nice, but it was ass. I'm sure I had some other bad experiences I can't think of. Bangkok, isn't it shit Thailand? Like Thailand, Bali, I'm not interested, bro. Like maybe if I was like 20 and I had like a couple $1,000s to my name, I'd be into it, but like it's not really where I want to go. Bro, the second Japan trip don't made up for it, bro. I didn't have a losing trade the second Japan trip. The first one, I don't think I had a fucking winning trade. So we got fucking rinsed, bro. That was like the hardest part about the Japan trip, the trading. But other than that, everything else was awesome. Maybe it was like also it was like the layover, like just the fucking time, like just cooks you. All right, 1 minute till this dude fucking walks up, or unless he's running late. Is he running late? The most money on a trip, Maldives. That was like $100,000 I spent on a singular trip. Japan expensive. The hotel and the flight are decently expensive, I think. I don't know. Like it also depends where you're flying from. The everything else was cheap though. Like food and experiences, I thought it was pretty cheap. Come on. All right, 9:30. Biggest gambling single win? I guess it was $6,000 law off of a $50 spin.
That's pretty nice. That's a good return.
Aren't your girlfriend there? No, she's out with her mom. Yeah, that's like the single win. I think most was like off of one spin 6,000, which is not crazy. Like I don't gamble crazy amount of money. Like you guys think I'm there gambling tens of thousands. I'm not. Like if I want to go like heavy, I'll bring $5,000 for the night. Like it's not a lot of money. I'm gambling, but like I go very often, so like that kind of like evens it out. That's about it. Don't know. Damn, is J-Ball speaking yet? What the fuck, man? What is this shit?
No, not yet.
Come on, bro. Where are you? Where are you? Do you play blackjack? That's my best game is blackjack. Now it's craps too. Yesterday, last night we hit all the bonuses: the 150, the 30s, the 230s, and the 150s. I went on a crazy run. Some old dude next to me made like over 30,000 off of my run that I had, and dude didn't even fucking tip me.
Oh, he's talking now.
Yeah, I mean this shit is a tight ass range right now. If the FOMC is bullish today, then I think we short for the rest of the week. Thursday, Friday should be like short days. Like short days isn't like we're gonna short down.
He's got the purple tie on.
That's what I think. GP's still holding it down though. Look at that shit. You seen the Asian at the baccarat table? Who's it? What Asian? They don't really play. Oh, baccarat. My bad. I was thinking craps. Yeah, I mean Asians love baccarat. Chinese people. They don't really play craps though. Craps you see more like white people, black people. So you see more of. Is he talking already?
Yeah, he's talking.
Well, I'll tell him to fucking say some shit because we're not getting any movement.
He's got the purple
Tell
tie
him to
on, so
fucking
should be bullish. Should be bullish.
we're gonna break out his range if we're gonna take a trade. You don't want to fucking trade in this shit. In this dump. ALZ giving us the signals gonna dump. Come on, say something. Come on. I mean, it's already priced in. Like they already knew it was gonna be 20.25. So like it's all-time highs. It's still overall bullish the market. Like I like to see a dip and then just continue being bullish. But like just because I want to see a dip, it's not like the market is bearish. Like like it's like a 2% drop, then continue higher. That's like a nice steady uptrend. Like you don't want like just fucking just non-stop mooning. You want like a nice and steady uptrend. So that's all I would like to see. The tide didn't lie, bro. He said bullish. Candle up. 30 points. Fucking massive. Fucking massive candle.
Who is ALZ? Is he in the chat?
Who?
ALZ.
He's gotta be. Gonna go making new all-time highs. Can afford premium. Come on, brother. Can't afford $100 a month. You should not be trading. It's like not because I want you to make group, but like it's just me being honest. You should have at least like a few $1,000s of disposable income if you're gonna look into trading at all. I mean, it's honest. I'm just being honest, bro. It's not like I'm trying to be a dick to people, but like I'm pretty honest about it. Like when I started trading, I had some money because I was in the army. I had no expenses, so I got a bonus to join. So like I was able to save up some money before I got into it. I mean, bro, like getting, making $100 and getting a net worth of $100, like any job will do. Like you don't need a crazy job. Like any job will do, and you just gotta save up as much as you can. And that's about it. I'm not saying it's easy, but I'm just saying it's doable. That GP, that from the top to the bottom, reject again. Oh, there's that short. Came in. Just like we wanted.
Damn.
Nasty ass GP. From top to bottom. Should continue lower as long as he doesn't say anything stupid. As long as he doesn't say anything stupid, it should just continue lower. Give another drop. Made a band, W puppy. Why can't you trade it? You're funded on like MFFE or something? Just drop it lower. Should go all the way. I mean, I don't know if we'll go all the way today, but like I'm saying we should go all the way in general. Right. That weekly gap. So I think we're gonna head. 40-point drop. There was the GP from the low, like that was the range of the day, the high to the New York low. Rejected on that shit twice. Look, fund rate. Rejected on the fund rate little decision bullshit. And this guy with Yoda, you're tripping, dude. Bro, you guys actually believe Yoda? Like you guys have some serious issues. If you guys actually believe that, I guess. I guess like it's hard for you guys to spot the bullshit from people, but like I guess because I've been training for so long, I can tell within like 2 sentences somebody actually is legit or not. But if you guys think Yoda actually knew how to trade, crazy. Is gold nuking too? Was on my shorts there? Yeah, thank God, gold. There's no one I disliked more than Yoda.
Damn, really?
He's bro, he was the most annoying dude ever. He acted like he was fucking God's gift to Earth. I asked him a million times, "Oh, let's hang out since you're in my group anyway," and he's like, "Nope." I'm like, "Come on." I'm like, "Where's your gym at? I'll go pull up to your gym, get a membership." He allegedly owned the gym, but. Mm. You should keep going lower. Go lower and lower. You think he did coke? I mean, yeah, I guess I probably, yeah. I'm guessing he did do coke. I mean, that's not a huge shocker. Yeah, we do have a big SMT. Yes, hasn't really sold as much. Guessing YM's still holding up pretty nice. No, YM nuked too. I guess, I don't know. Maybe it's other shit like. Oh, wait, yes, just nuked. Never mind. No SMT. What the fuck? Let's just keep on nuking.
It's not even that far, is it, so far?
Did he say anything? What did Jibal say? Did he say anything?
200 points.
Did he say anything that was important? From Brazil? Hey, I was just in Brazil for 2 months. I went to Florianopolis. Where are you from? Sao Paulo? I guess you're from Sao Paulo. Yeah, but we knew already of the 25 points Reka already. We already knew that.
Did he say anything?
Mm. You didn't say anything that was shocking to anybody? I mean, the market just looked like he was ready for a pullback. Like, honestly, like, it doesn't even matter what the fuck he was saying. Like, it shouldn't have mattered. Like, I knew this shit should have gone down anyway. Short the bottom and chill, guys. No, don't actually short the bottom. Don't actually do that, but just go lower. That's all we're asking. Also, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Maybe I'll do a tutorial recap. Maybe I won't today. I'll see if I have the time.
You got loads of time.
Yeah, but like, gotta do shit like go to the gym.
You haven't gone yet? It's like 2:30.
No, I haven't gone yet. I was really busy. I was playing Digimon the whole day. It will drop over the week. Yeah, that's where I think it should go. That's why I told you guys it should go. So hopefully we're not wrong. So far, so good though. I don't want to jinx it though. I don't bench too much anymore because I had shoulder problems. Both my shoulders actually. Well, mostly my left shoulder, but like 225. I haven't tried like max in a long time. I'm usually there by myself. I can do 25 by myself. Do some reps of those. So I'm guessing like 250 I could do. I do go 6 times a week. Every day new different. Like I'll do chest, back, legs. Like I do like that. Shoulders. So it's every day except the seventh day. you don't need to go to the gym 6 times a week, but like I just enjoy to go, so like I make it like that. We could get a bounce down here, like 26,000. Honestly, the biggest improvement since getting on peptides, so getting on peptides was like the biggest like change. No, I don't anymore. I used to drink energy drinks at the gym, but ever since I did peptides, I literally can't even finish them. I don't know why. I don't know what it is. Like I can't even drink them. I can't even look at them. Like I don't crave them at all. I don't want them at all. So test I probably wouldn't do, but peptides have been good. What's he saying, bro? We don't want green candles. Motherfucker saying.
Gotta erase his whole move all the way back up.
Don't say that. Look, really what I want to nuke is fucking gold, bro. I'm like in a fucking heavy gold short and I haven't taken any profits. All the way from the top. All the way from up here, this day. So do like a little bear flag or something. This literally just took out the high. This looks really good to keep going lower on this 4 hours. Just took out this high. Whoop. Bring it back all the way down and make another like lower. Come all the way down like 36.40. To be perfect. How do you catch gold short? That's a secret. Maybe I'll make a video on it. I was actually trying to make a video before I did the gold short. I ended up getting lazy and then it moved already, so I stopped. I did not finish uploading that video. You think peptides are healthy? I haven't had any side effects. I don't know if they're healthy or not, but I've been fine so far. Maybe they're not healthy. I wouldn't be surprised if they're not.
I mean, you're fine.
Whatever. Okay. People like to drink. That's not healthy, so fuck it.
A couple beers never hurt no one.
That's what I'm saying. A couple shots in your stomach a week, you'll be fine. It's more of a skill issue if you're getting clapped.
Like you missed.
Do we have like a big fair value gap here that we filled or something? Was it daily?
Hourly.
Yeah, I was like, I swear I saw one. Maybe this one. I still want to see lower though. Alright, be like a bullshit bounce and then keep going lower. Tapped in is 5 minute now. This big ass 5 minute. If this candle rejects, short it down. Something like this. So just tapped in at 5. It's gonna be bearish. This candle should reject. Look, we need this GP to fail, bro. Can I have no GP holding up the price? Alright. Even if it closes into that 5 minute, then it might just fill it. But that's a big gap with very low volume, so it would be kind of easy to fill. This one. The size of the gap usually matters a lot. Big gaps like this,
It's true.
when they're closed inside, usually you tend to fill them more often than not. So let's see where this 5 minute ends up closing. If this doesn't go any higher, we also do have an SMT into that 5 minute if candles close this way. Still needs 3 more minutes for this 5 minute to close though, but we also have an SMT into that 5 minute gap. Where'd you first learn GP? It's been around forever, but the settings I have, I don't remember the exact day that I did it, but I just changed them up to some numbers that I liked, and bada bing, bada bang, and that's how I got my numbers. But like usually people use like 0.72 and like 0.5, and they call that a GP. Like there's a lot of different ways that people have used them. 0.61 is really popular, and then 0.66, like Ayan said, I sold my soul for it because I did 3 sixes, and I just dropped the third. And I was like, let me see if this shit works, and then it worked. So I was like, whatever, I'll just stick to it. All right, the SMT into that 5-minute gap, dude. It seems like he's playing out. I guess so. I'll be honest. I never watched a video of ICT. If you guys say it is, then it is. When do you use it outside of ranges for tier pocket? I don't really see any right now. Maybe like this has been just like straight move up. I feel like a 4-hour range. Then you could have done that. You could have TR pocket it. ICT, it's a dude. ICT is a dude.
Yeah. Where do you live?
Somewhere somewhere random. Like Maryland or some stupid shit, something weird, like Vermont or something. You should move to Miami and get a fucking high rise and start playing TikToks. He moving a building, 90% of people in there are probably people that trade ICT. They can all fucking split the rents, take photos with the view behind them. Where am I? I'm in Florida. Nah, I grew up in California though. We got one good candle out of this shit. We got one good candle. Both close inside this gap, so this literally might just get filled. Wouldn't be like too shocked if it does. Hopefully with the previous day closing price can reject here. Um, bro, thought it was trash or technical. I mean, some people just claim it is too. I don't know. It's a dude though. Previous day closing price telling us down, rejecting a lower. How much have I rinsed? Like 80 something thousand, maybe more. I I know it was our third highest about a few months ago, but I've not gotten many payouts since then because I haven't really focused on it. So I'll try to go for another payout soon. If not tomorrow, also Friday. Like, don't forget Friday can just come fill it too. So like I'm not too worried about if it's not today. I'll be honest, better if it's not.
Let the earnings flush it down.
Bro, Andres, get the fuck out of here. That means to call out. Oh my god. Pathetic. It's the first thing you say. So like, did I just miss a fucking good learning experience? That's what you should be focused on. It's always the fucking call out. You guys, if call outs are not gonna get you profitable, bro, like you can get good and you can get like a couple payouts following, but like wouldn't you rather fucking learn and be able to do it all the time? Like I genuinely don't understand that. Of course they'll pay you off 45,000. What are you talking about? Of course. They'll pay you off for guys, prop firms are gonna pay you out. If you follow the rules, they'll pay you. Like as long as you follow the rules, you get payouts. It's not really like 2021 again, where all these prop firms were rugging. Those are like the forex firms that don't pay you out. Futures firms are really like they don't just deny people. They have rules. You follow the rules, you get a payout. That's honestly all of them, including Apex. As long as you're following all their rules, you'll be completely fine.
Yeah, hasn't Apex like paid like $1 million one time or something?
Yeah, I mean, there's a dude that got $2 million.
That's crazy.
Like, as long as you follow the rules, like these companies make a ton of money. Like, especially the big ones like Alpha, Top Step, MFFU, like all of those. Like, the only time I've been denied a payout, I did technically break the rule. So, like, whatever, it was 15,000 on MFFU. I had that expert, and I thought expert was like Alpha's advanced that you can train use. And I held the trade through like a red folder. Like, I was in from hours before, and I closed it hours later. It was like one of those 8:30 ones, and I was holding a trade overnight. Like, I took a trade in London, went to sleep, and I woke up like at 10. And then I was like, oh, sweet. And then I kept trading it because it didn't fucking club my shit. Then when I requested payout, they denied it. Like, it does suck to deny it, but I did technically break the rule. Same thing. Yeah, I mean, some of the guys, Apex makes like hundreds of millions a month, like over 100 million a month. Like, like Apex had an offer to get bought out by like some people in Dubai for like 1.2 billion.
Holy fuck.
And they said no. Like, the owner said no. So like it's really not even that crazy. I don't think you guys understand how much they're making these companies. So like your little $5 to $10 payout, they don't mind paying it. Just follow the rules. That's all. No, don't listen, young boy.
We def fill in this gap.
Hey, United to get catch a piece of that action. I'll. I say if this shit closes into it very quickly, you can just get ball back out. 'Cause you don't have a lot of volume in here, but we'll see what I want to do after. Yeah, we're in this other GP now. From this one, like this thing drawing it. Probably draw from like right here. Let's see though. So it's the lows that we kind of bounced on, the New York low, but again, once you didn't reject here on this candle, starts not to look so good as much. Just see though. Yes, is a little bit weaker still under yesterday's price. Is gold bouncing, bro? Gold better be fucking nuking. No, fuck you, gold. Well, fine.
We're at close green,
Came
brother.
back.
The tie doesn't lie.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine. It's not terrible. Tomorrow we go down on gold. It's kind of like negative 6% on gold. That'd be fucking. We shouldn't reject 0.5 now. I told you why. The size of your gap matters, guys. So I teach that mostly only in the mentorship.
Size matters.
Understanding what's a gap versus a void. A void gets filled right away. Gap actually you can take trades off of. So this would not be something I would take a trade off of. I will not look for a reject into this gap. The only way is if we had wicked it and then this next candle would have closed red, then yes. But if we close into this, then I'm not looking for rejections.
Dude, you just sharing free knowledge like that?
It's a little bit. They're gonna have to figure it out why on their own. Why? Okay, so when overall to go down, so let's please send it. Send it. I mean, that wasn't a bad TP1 if you got in like from before this massive drop. If you were in from before, that would have been what, like 200 points almost? What was this candle? Like 150 points at worst, maybe? Which for the way the fucking price has been today, that's not a bad move. That's not like a fucking insane fucking FOMC type of 600 point winner, but better than nothing. Really good amount for, yeah. Double your net worth with the 80%. What am I playing though? Is it like flipping a coin or like
Weird
can I?
question.
Yeah, is it like just random? Can I bet on it? My answer would be yes because you did not give me any downside. You didn't say if I don't hit it, I lose everything. So yes, it's a free 80% chance of doubling it. I'll take it. The way you phrase your questions.
I think that's a weird question. Honestly, a pretty good Fomc. A good
I mean, the
move.
drop was good. That's about it. Random, if it was a coin, nah, I wouldn't take any. I don't take random chances. That's the thing. Hey, bro, I want to learn. It work. It's a ton of information out there, whether it's free or paid. You know. So if you don't learn, there's no lack of that. Have you played any games in your time? Yeah, I have.
What?
Like any games, like video games I'm playing well? Like if I've ever played video games, like yeah.
Like, or sports games like soccer? Or
I don't know. Either answer is yes, either way. Either way is asking it. It'll be a yes.
oh, the league or something.
How's the dollar doing? Oh nice, it's mooning. Let's get this back over $100. I had mentioned on when was it? On I mentioned it here in the one of the manager classes. I was like the dollar looks really good for a bounce. I don't trade it, but like 2% move I think is pretty solid for the dollar. Yeah, like league. Bro, I don't know. You just realized league fucking I was playing preseason of league. Like I've been playing league forever. I don't really play as much anymore. It's too much time.
But you playing Digimon?
It's just a good game, bro. You just gotta play it.
2 pairs silver, gold, or with the dollar.
Do you pair? I don't really trade. Like I'll look at them, but like, I mean, no, I wouldn't say I pair it. To answer your question shortly, but like, do they all play an effect with each other a little bit? Like you see when the dollar is going down, then fucking silver and gold are mooning. Going up a dollar, so this shit can go down. Is he still yapping to dude? Doing like a Q&A?
Yeah, I think so.
Fucking talking. Give us one fucking good candle. That's about it. Check things previous New York low too. But now we want to go back down.
Man, the chat for the YouTube stream is just like people yelling short nonstop.
Short? What do you mean?
Like in the stream, it's just people saying short in the stream for the FOMC conference with Powell.
Everybody's like just saying short.
Yeah, over and over again. The big short, 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 short Bitcoin, gold crash.
Oh yeah, how's Bitcoin doing? Gold crash is still like green on the day. Pretty. Bitcoin did drop a little bit. It's because the dollar is mooning. That's my guess. If we get over like under 136, we can go down again. Going to California in Thanksgiving week, so if you're on that trip. Ethereum back under 4,000, plopped a little bit. Shit's just been ranging though. Take this short right here to a new low. Or maybe where's this GP at? I've been in Tunisia once when I was much younger though, so I don't remember too much of it. Net 3 from no. So I wouldn't have to trade if it was. Be set up in other ways. So I guess it's a bounce on this GP. It should just go for a new low. Hopefully. Get down. New case straight down.
Oh, I didn't see your message.
New low. Come on. This bullish GP right here just don't hold up. Yes, almost done at the GP. This bullish GP is gonna hold up. Why are you gonna nerf the fucking GPs, bro? Like, there's no way this shit works every fucking time. There's always a reject and a fucking bounce on this shit. Like at some point, when does this stop being? Is it like ridiculous? Look at this shit. This bearish GP brought it down, and this fucking bullish GP 10 up. Like, come on. Like, at some point, they gotta nerf this shit.
We just shared the link if someone wants to jump on a call and potentially work with you.
Because that's how much it is, the mentorship. We don't do the monthly anymore because the monthly is like the worst. Because mostly the people that join the monthly are like, I don't know. There's not really people I like to deal with more often than not. But with the mentorship, it's like we can pretty much guarantee everybody to be profitable because we spend a lot more time working with them. Versus people that with the monthly for $100, I'm not really gonna be answering your questions that much because it's obviously not a lot of money for me. So it kind of works better for everybody. Hey, somebody pays $100 a month more often than not. They're like in 20 discords and they're trying to follow this guy saying no, that guy's saying no. It's like that shit just long term is not really it's not really what I want people to be doing. Profitability rate, honestly, it's super high. I'll say like if you do everything we tell you, well, we guarantee it. We guarantee it. So if you join, right? If you join, and you don't make 90, sorry, you make fucking 90 days, you make 10,000. We guarantee that. So, but we also expect you to do certain things. Tune in every day, do your homework every day, show up to all the classes. We also do 2 times a week afternoon classes. So today, Wednesday, we're doing one tonight. You know? So
One dude, what Hyperion posted like 11K today, was it?
Bro, that fucking bullish GP, holy shit, that shit was... How did I know that shit was gonna fucking hold up? Why are they gonna nerf this shit? They generally need to.
Never.
They need to start nerfing it. Now back at the bearish GP. It's like back and forth. The bearish one up here, the bullish one down here. They're having a battle. May the best GP win. It's whatever the federal is. That's all. Guys, don't worry about taxes. Worry about making money first. If you're paying taxes, it means you're making money. So don't stress out about it that much. I don't know why everybody was so obsessed. It's so like they really care about taxes. Like make money and then you figure out the taxes. So if you're not paying taxes, most likely you're not making money. So it's a good problem to have. Like taxes shouldn't be the reason you trade or don't trade or you move somewhere or not move somewhere. At the end of the day, honestly, I'd rather pay some more taxes and live somewhere I enjoy than live like somewhere like fucking Puerto Rico. You know what I'm saying?
You don't want to live in Puerto Rico? What's the downfall there?
No, I'm not really fucking. I would not move to Puerto Rico.
Nice weather.
Get stuck on an island. Fucking see Jamaica. Fucking shit.
They're cooked. Sadly.
That's what I'm saying. That shit. They fucking come down, get clapped. Why not move to Dubai? You can't as an American citizen. You still gotta pay taxes. So it doesn't matter. If you're in Europe, then yeah, I will say move to Dubai, move to Cyprus, move somewhere else. Yeah, only Puerto Rico. Your only option for an American citizen is Puerto Rico. Well, if you're European or somewhere else in the world, you have a billion other choices. Now, if I had all those other choices, I'd rather, you know. Yeah, but the thing is, you have to stay there at least 6 months out of the year. So. Still stuck there for a bit of time. I heard good things about Cyprus too.
Is it really that much better to live in Puerto Rico though, or Florida, like tax wise?
I mean, you can be free. You have way more shit to do here.
But I mean, like tax wise, is it better in Puerto Rico? Like that much better?
I don't like Puerto Rico, but hey, some people love it, so I don't know what to say. I personally like it. Yeah, maybe we hold and we just go higher. Fuck it. It is what it is. We go lower tomorrow or Friday. Didn't really do anything crazy. Like, give us this little move down and then back to fucking slowly not doing much. Yeah, but Texas doing, but that's just for Texas. It's like you forget you have the federal tax. It's what really collapsed to the federal tax, not really the other shit. Nah, I don't see an SMT. Yes, did not take out the high. Did it? It's like an equal high, no? It's like a perfect equal high. Go back down, please.
Is he still talking? I wonder if he is.
Is he still talking? I don't think so. You could fucking jail. What do you mean? We'll obviously get covered in taxes. Come on, guys. You go to jail. You get fined. You don't pay the fine. You go to jail. They can also freeze your guys. They can literally go to your bank and take the money. Like
Can't take
they
my
can do that.
crypto. Just
The
saying.
Coinbase you probably can do. They can come and take your assets. Like they, bro. The federal government is the biggest fucking gang and scammers out there. It's the last people you want to fuck with.
Damn, you getting deported for sure.
Me?
Yeah.
What do you mean? I have a passport.
Hey, let's send you
I'm a
back.
citizen, bro.
Let's send you back to
What do
Italy
you
real
mean?
quick.
I mean, if they send me to Italy and I don't have to pay taxes, fuck it, I'll take it. All I gotta do is just leave and go to Italy. Whatever, I'll take it. Then Italy's gonna fuck me taxes. Fuck, I'm screwed. Italy's even worse. No, but with Italy, I could move then. I could move to something like to fucking. Bro, Italy, I'd rather pay 70% fucking taxes than move to Pakistan, bro. That's crazy. I'd rather pay fucking 90%. I think. Would I rather be rich in Pakistan or be like broke in America? I don't
Broke in
know.
America.
I think I'd rather be broke in America, honestly. What am I gonna do in Pakistan, bro? To even go there, you need to fucking have security. Tell me, what would you guys do? Come on. You guys are fucking telling me like I'm wrong. You guys know damn well you do the same shit. Look, I'll go with me and Ayan. Me and fucking BLH fucking moved to Pakistan together. My personal guide.
He knows all the
Yes.
locals.
I mean, ALZ, you're in fucking. Where are you in UK?
How'd you assume that?
You mentioned it earlier.
Oh.
And then what he's been saying, like mate and shit like that. When he says mate, bro, this fucking bearish GP just holding it. It's been a battle. The bullish one down here, this bearish one up here. But this bearish one just keeps getting tested. Can it really hold down that long? But you see how I look? If I'm rich in Pakistan, they're about to fucking raid my shit. Get security to be fucking part of it too. And I'm homeless in a week. You see how I look? Uh, yeah, but what if the militia is in on it? Brody's in Oklahoma, not Texas.
Oklahoma, yeah.
You wish. I mean, I mean, where you're from in Canada, it's kind of like the rednecks of fucking Canada.
It's like Montana.
It's like the rednecks, right?
Yeah, kinda, yeah. The fishermen.
Fishermen. Yeah, versus hunters. You guys are fucking fishers.
Yeah, we're good fishers. We provide China with lobster.
Do you really?
Yeah.
I know that. Go back down, bearish GP. Come on.
You know Powell is 72. Man, he looks like he's fucking like 90.
Yeah, this is a pretty whack one, you know. We got a nice little drop that everybody seemed like they did well on, but a very cheap beat just held it down. Mm.
Powell's definitely getting paid. There's no way he's unpaid.
He's got to be done, right? What the hell is he doing?
We still talk about jobs and stuff.
Then when is that new crypto firm coming out?
The prop firm?
Yeah, I keep seeing Patrick on my timeline talking about like some crypto firm he's doing.
Is he doing it or is he just shitting on it?
I mean, no, he posted like he runs it too. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe he's just like the face of it. I don't know, but
Damn.
it's gonna be like the well. I mean, think about crypto firms. You could have always on forex, right? You could have always traded Bitcoin, Ethereum. Even on futures one, you have some futures cryptos that you can trade. So like, what is really the main benefits here? Unless, uh, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the benefit is. Unless he has like all the smaller altcoins, which I don't think is gonna be the case.
It's called Warbucks. Warbucks.
I just see you keep posting it.
Yeah.
Look, the only firm I like is Alpha Futures. He's getting up to $45,000 with only 3 accounts.
Listen, we gotta work on your ad read.
What?
We have to work on your ad read.
I'm just honest. That's why. Not good salesman. I'm just telling you guys what I think in my head. It's generally why. Because if you're profitable, like, why do I want to limit myself with like top step? First of all, I need 5 accounts, and then I can just do 5,000 each. Like, what's the benefit? Right? Like, it's me thinking logically. If you're unprofitable, then like I guess it makes sense. I don't know. That's a good question. I do wire. I don't know.
I don't think you can.
That I don't know if any future do any futures firm let you do crypto? I don't know.
Yeah, there is one. I'm not gonna say who there is, but
Well, whatever they are, if Bro doesn't say it, fuck them. Bro doesn't say it, fucking hate him.
I won't show them here.
That's true. We like Alpha, we like TPT, we also like
Like Tradeify, Apex.
Certify we like, yeah.
Apex just updated their dashboard. It looks a lot better now.
Yeah, I heard they're doing also a new product. That's what they told me they were gonna do. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's another straight funded, maybe it's gonna do like reset live, like I don't know.
Straight to funded.
One of those. They're doing something new. I don't know what it is though. Do from Top Step.
Oh, I should find that video. There's a guy who's on the Top Stuff Live account. He was at like 60K, and they called him and asked him to close the position.
Yeah, bro, Top Step is known to do shit like that. It's I don't like him. I never liked Top Step. Before I was any affiliate with any other firm, I always been against Top Step. Down they force you on their own platform. She's always buggy.
I gotta find the video.
That's crazy. You trade crypto on leverage? I have in the past. I don't know. They don't offer any promos because they're probably already reasonably priced, so they don't need to. You guys should watch that video I did in the car, Lala. That was a good video too. People really like the video that me and Luke.
That was a good one.
People really like that. Yeah, that was a solid one. I mean, I'm gonna have to. When he's back in Florida, which he's fucking like literally every 2 weeks.
Man, your fucking TikTok killed me.
Yeah, that shit was fucking hilarious. Chinese immigrant.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit was pretty funny. Have you sold Ferrari? Not yet. Does Alpha straight funded? It don't, but you can pass their 0 accounts in one trade. The Chinese immigrant, yeah. You gotta go see it. It doesn't hit this. You gotta watch the video to really like appreciate the headline. Then those 5 minutes still not closing over the GP. Pretty wild. But it's about to be 3:30, guys. We probably gotta bounce out of here. Might not get any moves for the rest of the day. We got a solid little sell, but like it was definitely not as fun as I thought it would be. Damn you, J Powell. Need to fucking fire him.
Fuck, we're so flat right now.
It's crazy. Alright, let's watch this real quick. Can you see this?
Can I?
Moved 32K into a Top Step Live account. I started trading the Top Step Live account and I have a $60,000 day. At this point, I'm in Poland at my grandma's house and she's like sitting right across the table from me. I'm in this trade. I'm like 15 lots deep. I'm like looking at it. I'm up 60K. I'm like, you know, breathing, and my grandma's just kind of looking at me like, "Oh, do you need anything?" You know, like
You
talking
okay?
to me. Like, no, I'm good. I'm okay, grandma. Don't worry. You know what I mean? And then my phone starts ringing. Right? I answer it. They're like, "Hey, Kyle, how you doing?" I'm like, "Hey, I'm good. Who is this?" Like, "Hey, this is your risk manager, Brett from Top Step." I'm like, "What the? I have a risk manager?" He's like, "Yeah, dude, yeah. I've always been here. You just never actually reached out to me or anything. But I see you're up a hefty amount. Have you thought about taking any profit?"
Maybe get out of this thing.
And I'm like, no, no, I'm gonna keep letting it run.
Diamond hands, bro. Diamond hands.
Is it real? I'm guessing it's real. I don't believe it. I believe him.
They're watching that closely all the time.
They probably get alerts. They probably get alerts whenever there's something that you know, out of the ordinary.
Someone's making too much money.
Yep.
Powell's finally done. Dude has stopped yapping.
All right, guys. Well, it was fun. Maybe we'll do some more lives, but like just during the training session for the people.
I like that. Link is posted if you're interested in working with Antonio.
Yeah, guys. The call is if you want to do a free call with if you want to join the team or not join the team, you're just curious. There's the call you can book for free. Bro, you can post it again.
It's pinned there. It's pinned right at the top, so everyone can see it.
If you want the streams daily live with the team, join the group. If not, hey, thank you guys for tuning in. Use code BGC with any of your alpha accounts for your best, the best deal possible for TPT, Alpha, Certify, Apex. I don't know, fucking all of them. All right.